Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Vacuum sealer, simple one-touch sealing. Easily seal your food with the dry or moist buttons. Just press to vacuum and seal dry or moist foods with this vacuum sealer machine. Perfect for preserving meats, vegetables, fruits, and more. This food vacuum sealer keeps your items fresh longer. Precision for delicate foods. Need extra care? The pulse button gives you precise control over vacuuming soft or delicate items like chips or baked goods, ensuring they stay intact. With this food sealer vacuum sealer, you can preserve your food's texture and flavor with confidence. External canister vacuuming. Expand your sealing options with the external vac button to vacuum seal food in canisters. Whether it's liquids, snacks, or smaller items, this vacuum sealer for food handles it all. No need for bulky freezer bags. Mixing bowls. Premium material. Each bowl is made of high-quality, heavy-gauge stainless steel, which is resistant and rust-proof. Umite Chef mixing bowls feature a mirror finish interior and fingerprint-proof exterior. High-quality, food-grade stainless steel. You and your family can use it with peace of mind. Larger bowl sizes. Our stainless bowls, deeper than standard bowl sets, allow for larger servings. This set contains sizes 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.5, 7 quarts. That gives you much more flexibility and less mess. Satisfy your demands for mixing large batters, tossing salads, washing vegetable, marinating and storing, etc. Air fryer magnetic cheat sheet. Air fryer magnet. This air fryer times and temp guide magnet is carefully crafted with waterproof, oil-resistant, and tear-proof materials. Our cheat sheet is built to last. The sturdy big magnet, 10.5 into 6.5 inch, and small magnet, 5 into 5 inch, securely attaches to your fridge or any magnetic surface. Air frying made easy. These cool kitchen gadgets come with 2 cooking essential magnetic cheat sheets made for air fryers that show the cooking time, temperature, and portion of food to take the guesswork out of cooking, so you don't have to waste time looking things up. This makes for a great air fryer cookbook for beginners. Larger font is printed on the small magnet with your most popular frozen foods for even easier referencing. Makes a thoughtful gift for all occasions. Burger press. Say goodbye to boring burgers. The Grillaholic stuffed burger press. Patty maker and burger stuffer makes it easy to stuff your burger patties with your favorite ingredients. Our hamburger patty press makes mind-blowing burgers that are bursting with flavor. Imagine burgers stuffed with gooey cheese, crispy bacon, grilled onions, and jalapenos, and more. The only limitation is your imagination. Fun and easy to use for the whole family. Our unique burger patty maker design is so easy to use that the whole family can get in on the fun. Your kids will love helping with dinner while they stuff their own burgers full of their favorite ingredients. With our burger maker press, making delicious stuffed burger patties is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just press it, stuff it, seal it. You'll be asking yourself why you didn't pick up a burger maker sooner. Knife sharpener. 3-step knife sharpener. With our incredible 3-slot system, we're revolutionizing the art of knife sharpening. The first diamond sharpening rod repairs and straightens damaged blades before the second slot sharpens to restore its V-shape. Finally, the third slot fine-tunes for a clean polish. Easy to use. Whether you're right or left-handed, the ergonomic handle allows you to restore your cooking knives in a matter of seconds. Simply place the blade in each of the slots and gently pull the knife through a few times for fast, effective sharpening. Cut-resistant glove included. At Kitchalence, we put the safety of our customers above all else. Designed with a non-slip base, our kitchen knife sharpener offers comfortable control while you work. We're even including a cut-resistant glove for added safety. Musum rice cooker. Easy to serve. Just through pressing the single push button, a one-touch operation, the cooker makes the cooked rice served quickly in a short time, as 19 mins for 2 cups uncooked rice. Time varies for different rice and rice amount, saving cooking time a lot. Capacity. Perfect cooking up to 3-cup uncooked, 6-cup cooked capacity. Perfect for individual, growing family. Auto warmer. The cooker stops when the rice is ready and automatically switches to keep warm for more than 24 hours, maintaining the good taste of the cooked rice. Food grade guarantee. The inner pot features a ceramic non-stick coating, ensuring food grade safety. Accessories. This cooker includes a durable ceramic meat thermometer, instant read food thermometer. Our instant read thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2 to 3 seconds response time. Instructions. Meat temperature chart comes pre-calibrated for your convenience and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use. From barbecue thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Kitchen shears. All-purpose kitchen scissors. Heavy-duty H super sharp kitchen shears, valued 2-pack in one set, comfort grip handles. Great all-purpose scissors for kitchen, household, home, car, outdoor general use. Great kitchen utensil set for women, men, adults, older kids. Stainless steel sharp blades. High-quality hardened stainless steel blades easily cut through cardboard, twine, food, meat, vegetables, chicken, poultry, fish, herbs, seafood, BBQ, food packing bags, and more. Great as food scissors, meat scissors, cooking scissors, scissors kitchen, cooking shears, poultry scissors, utility scissors, meat cutting scissors. Comfort grip handle, nylon meat masher. Easily cook ground beef and ground turkey with this multifunctional meat chopper utensil. The 5-blade design lets this hamburger meat chopper double as a masher. Quickly mix and mash softer cooked foods like potatoes, yams, pumpkin, squash, rutabagas, turnips, parsnips, carrots, apples, bananas, and more. Heat resistant. The oversized BPA-free nylon head is heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a safe tool for cooking ground meat, potatoes, and other hot foods. Safe to use on all types of cookware, including non-stick and coated. Egg cooker. Kawu egg cooker, Kawu egg boiler, priority launch egg cooker, 4 egg on egg rack every time, plus 2 egg in egg bowl every time. Kawu egg cookers will put various sizes. As we all know, on the market from small egg cooker models to large 14-egg capacity ones. Consider almost daily typical needs. Kawu egg cooker is also a yogurt maker, your great choice for making nutritious breakfast anytime and anywhere. 2025